Here's how to add and configure a free VPN on Windows 11. No credit card, no subscription, and no account creation with two methods. This first method is genuinely impressive because it uses a feature that's already built directly into Windows 11. Go to your Windows 11 Start menu, click the Windows icon, and open Settings. From the left panel, select Network and Internet, then click VPN. On the right side, you'll see a button that says Add VPN. Click that. A form will appear asking for your connection details. Here's how to get VPN server information for free. Open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Then click on the first link. You'll see a live list of available VPN servers from countries all over the world. The list shows you each server's location, current speed, uptime, and connection quality. Here is the username and password you can use. When you find a server you want to use, right-click it and copy it. We'll need this in a moment. Paste the copied server name here. Leave the VPN type set to automatic. For sign-in information, select username and password from the drop-down. Then, in both the username and password fields, type the word VPN, lowercase, just those three letters, VPN. Click Save. Your VPN connection has been created. To connect, simply click on it from the VPN settings page and hit Connect. Windows will establish the connection in a few seconds. Once it says Connected, your internet traffic is now being routed through that server. Want to confirm it's actually working? Open your browser and search for What is my IP address? Google will show you right at the top of the results page. If you selected a Japanese server, you should now appear to be browsing from Japan. A US server, you appear to be in the United States. The location change confirms the VPN is routing your traffic correctly. One important note about VPN Gate servers. Because they're run by volunteers, individual servers can go offline or slow down without notice. If you ever find a connection is slow or drops out, just go back to vpngate.net, pick a different server, and update your connection settings with the new IP address. It takes about 30 seconds. If you'd prefer something simpler, a proper app with a clean interface that handles everything for you, this second method is the way to go. Click the search bar at the bottom of your taskbar and type Microsoft Store. Open it. In the store's search bar at the top, type VPN. You'll see a range of options, both free and paid. The one we're going to use today is Hotspot Shield VPN. It has a free tier that works well for basic use, and it's been around long enough to have a solid reputation. Click on Hotspot Shield and hit Get to install it. It's a standard app installation, nothing complex. Once it's done, click Open. When the app launches, you'll be walked through a quick setup. Select the basic free plan. Once you're in the main interface, you'll see a simple Connect button. Click Connect. Hotspot Shield will automatically select the best available server for your location and establish the connection. Within a few seconds, you'll see your virtual IP address and the confirmation that you're connected. That's it. You're now browsing through an encrypted VPN connection without having typed a single IP address or changed a single system setting. To disconnect when you're done, just open the app and click Stop or Disconnect. Your connection returns to normal immediately. If this saved you some money on a VPN subscription, a like and a subscribe goes a long way. I cover practical Windows tips and tutorials like this every day. Thanks for watching.